Welcome to HWM. I'm going to show you two things on this video. First of all, where the fuel filler release is on a Vantage, because it's not obvious, and secondly, where the emergency fuel filler release is. Now, the standard fuel filler release is hidden under the dashboard. There's a red glowing light, but you wouldn't see it from the steering wheel. And if I press that button, up it pops and we can hear it click there. So if your automatic release from the cabin doesn't work, there is an emergency release in the boot. And it's on the left-hand side, so fuel filler is here. And if you were to pull down the flap hidden in the boot, just behind here is a white pull. And if I give that a pull, up pops the fuel filler cap. And again, even if it's a bit stiff, worst ways, you can perhaps get a credit card underneath it and flip it open. Sometimes they go wrong, but at least you've got a secondary emergency release.